Now we are going to take up combinations of quadrants. How to solve this by using AutoCAD software. The problem we are going to read it as a point 20 mm below the reference XY line is the top view of 3 points capital P, Q and capital R. P is 20 mm below HP and Q is 35 mm above HP and R is on HP. Draw the projections of 3 points and state their positions and quadrants in which they are situated. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we'll go for the command limits L I limits. So reset model space limits. First we're going to change the limits to 500 comma 500. So by default it is 0 comma 0 on the lower left corner, and the upper right corner you're going to take it as 500 comma 500. Then zoom all. Now we'll go for line command and draw one horizontal line and then one vertical line. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. You select this and offset towards the left side and take that to 10. So now what we are trying to do is we are trying to set the sheet now. So here this is trim and all the 4 sides will going to be trimmed off. Now once you get this, now we want to write first we're going to set the layers, because we have the front view and top view and XY line, that's all. So we need to do that. So to do that, so go to layer, you click on new, take the layer as XY and then you take layer as front view and take the layer as top view now, TV. Then line type, the line weight is layer 0 is 0.05, accept it. Then layer XY, line weight under that you make it 0.13 and accept. Color front view should be of magenta color, you just click on this magenta color, and then the top view should be of the red color, you just click on this and say finally you come out. So now you just go to zoom window and bring it near to the screen and you switch on this and go to the text tab. The text, take the text height as 4, then the rotation angle of text as 0. So here type the problem number 11, a point 20 mm below the reference XY line. Below the reference XY line is the top view of 3 points. Top view of 3 points, capital P, comma, capital Q and capital R. Capital P is 20 mm below HP. Below HP, comma, then capital Q is 35 mm above HP and capital R is on HP. Draw the projections of the point. Draw the projections of 3 points and state their positions and quadrants in which they are situated. Okay. Once you do that, then go to zoom previous. Now you just go to zoom window now again, bring it near to the screen. So just you just draw XY line and you draw this, and that there ends your drawing, and it's a very simple drawing. So you just go to the line command and draw one horizontal line of any distance, and then you draw one vertical line of any distance. So offset is 20 mm below HP, so you take offset, take the distance as 20 mm and offset it below. Then go to trim, cut it here, then you just erase this line. Similarly, 35 mm above HP, so offset, take the distance as 35 and you take it to the top. Then go to trim, you select this and remove it. Then go to erase and erase this line. So this is how we will be able to create this drawing. So we got this point and we got this, and now we need to do this. So to do that, command is do not take 0 and outside diameter is 3, and take the end point of this, center of donut as this, end of this, and take intersection point of this and then int of this, and then end point of this now. So then go to break this line till here, and you break this line till here. Then go to this and go to change. Now go to layer, you make that layer as XY. So automatically the things will going to change now. So here this one should be Q dash. So you just go to D dash, D text, and you type Q dash here, and this will be R dash. Then here this will be P dash. Then P is in bracket, and then you have Q, and then you have R. So all are in one plane. Then go to zoom window. Then you just go to move. Select objects, you select this and base point you keep it ortho off, and you keep it here. Similarly move. So both P will be in fourth quadrant, and then Q will be in first quadrant, and R will be in first as well as the fourth quadrant. So once you do that, now we go for DDIM. DDIM is the command. So then go to modify. So you make it this as 0 linear dimensions. So primary unit, that is the limb precision. Go to text, align with the dimension line, take the text height as 4, then you make it vertical above, and then offset from the dimension line as 3, and symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines and take the offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim vertical, take center of this, because the donut you have center, and since this donut is there at the center also, you take this and make it this 35. Similarly you take center of this, dim vertical, take center of this, and again you take center of this now. So this will going to give you 20. Then go to D text, type this as capital X, and you type this as capital Y. Now we want to move this and place it appropriately. Then I want this to be of layer which is of front view. Okay, then this again is the front view only. Okay, then this line is front view, and the rest of the things are the top view. So of course we cannot change this, then all of this will be of go to the top views. So it is inevitable, so we can't help it because there are sharing of these two. So that is the reason why we have done like this. But here the combination, because both the front view and top view is overlapping here. So now you just go to D text, here you type answers, okay, and then capital P is in fourth quadrant, and then you take 20 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Now you just copy this to the bottom, okay, and put on the ortho mode on. So you just go to zoom previous, so then go to zoom window, then go to copy, you take this Q and this as R. So now we go to DD edit. So I want capital Q now. So capital Q is that is in the first quadrant. You just you type first quadrant, which is 35 mm above HP, 35 mm above HP, and 20 mm in front of VP. So you got this. Then capital R, first as well as fourth quadrant, and here 20 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP. But here what you get is on HP and 20 mm in front of VP, capital R. So this is how you will be able to write the answer for this particular problem, and how simple it is. So here you just go to the zone extents and write the solution by using the AutoCAD software. Thank you.